Hello and welcome to the lecture session, and today video I am going to present vector integration Gauss theorem. The Gauss divergence theorem states that if a vector f is equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k is a vector point function having the continuous functions in the region v1 bounded by the closed surface S, then the volume integral of del dot f into dr dv is equal to a surface integral along the surface S of f dot n cap ds, where n cap is the unit normal vector to the surface. This is the Gauss divergence theorem which we will be using in order to evaluate the integral, and the statement alone is sufficient. The proof is not required for this one. Let us take the problem 1. Evaluate vector f is equal to x square minus yz into I plus y square minus zx into j plus z square minus xy into k taken rectangular parallelepiped 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to a, 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to b, 0 less than or equal to z less than or equals to c. Find the volume integral del dot f dv. So here the triple integral, that is f is equal to given function, given vector, div f is equal to del dot of f. So let us find out what is the del dot of f. So del dot of f is given by dou by dou x of I plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou z k into f, that is dot product with f. If we take, then it is dou by dou x of x square minus yz plus dou by dou y of y square minus zx plus dou by dou z of z square minus xy. That gives us 2x plus 2y plus 2z, or 2 times of x plus y plus z, which gives us, here the limits are given, x is varying from 0 to a, y is varying from 0 to b, and z is varying from 0 to c. Therefore, we can consider the du f as this one, and limits like this, that is x is varying from 0 to a, y varying from 0 to b, z varying from 0 to c, respectively this one. So when we do the integral, 2 times of integral x is varying from 0 to a, y varying from 0 to b, we can take the 2 outside, z varying from 0 to c, x plus y plus z with respect to x. First we will do it with respect to this is with respect to z, we will do it because the innermost limit is for z. So when we integrate with respect to z, we get xz plus yz plus z square by 2, 0 to c dy dx. So only z is replaced with the c, so we get it as cx plus cy plus c square by 2 dy dx. Next, we will integrate this result with respect to y, so we get it as cxy plus cy square by 2 plus c square y by 2. The limit is 0 to b dx. So wherever y is there, it will be replaced with b. So we get it as bcx plus cb square by 2 plus c square b by 2 of dx. Now finally we'll integrate this with respect to x. So we get it as bc x square by 2 plus b square c x by 2 plus bc square x by 2, and wherever x is there, it is replaced with a because the lower limit is 0. Now we get it as bc a square by 2 plus b square ca by 2 plus bc square a by 2. So this is the final lather thing, that is a b c. Actually we get it to 2 as the denominator. You can take a, b, c outside from all the three terms, then we get it as a plus b plus c. So this is the integral we are getting it. Next problem. If f is equals to 2x square minus 3zi minus 2xyj minus 4xk, evaluate triple integral del dot f dv, where v is the region bounded by the planes 2x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. Given f is equal to 2x square minus 3z of I minus 2xy of j plus 4x of k, and uf is del dot of f. So dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk of the given vector 2x square minus 3z of I minus 2xy of j minus 4x of k. So again we will take it inside, that is dou by dou x of 2x square minus 3x plus dou by dou y of minus 2xy plus dou by dou z of minus 4x. This part will become 0, and this part it is 4x minus 2x, which will give us 2x. The given surface bounded by the planes x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0, z is equals to 0. So 2x plus 2y plus z is equals to u. By using the Gauss divergence theorem, we get x is equals to 0 to 2, y is equals to 0 to 2 minus x, and z is equals to 0 to 4 minus 2x minus 2y. So this on integration, first with respect to z, 2 is taken outside, we get it as zx. Wherever z is there, it is replaced with 4 minus 2x minus y, 2y. And simplify this. Again, let us integrate this with respect to y. We get it as 4y minus 2xy minus 2y square by 2. Limit is substitute as 0 to 2 minus x, the dx. And again 2 is taken outside, x times of 4 times of 2 minus x, 2x times of 2 minus x minus 2 times of 2 minus x the whole square by 2 into dx. Finally, this has to be integrated with respect to x and substitute the limit x is equals to 0 to 2. So when we do this one, this is on simplification, that is 2 minus x into 2 minus x, that is x square minus 4x plus 4 into x. Again it will become x cube minus 4x square plus 4x into dx. This on integration, we get x power 4 by 4 minus 4x cube by 3 plus 4x square by 2, 0 to 2. And on substitution of the limit and simplification, we get it as 8 by 3. This is the required value. Thank you.